Hey everyone, I am back with another weekly recap. This is going to be for the week of July 15th through the 21st. I used the Crafty Student weekly kit, Lion in the Jungle, and I'll show you what I used, and then we'll go to the weekly view, the sidebar, and the dailies. So I didn't use as many glitter headers as I usually do, but I did use some. Used most of the functional sheet, and to be perfectly honest, this week was like a bore. Like, it happened so fast. Little things and icons, I used the majority of that. Headers, half boxes and quarter boxes, and half ombre check boxes. Used almost all of the sheet. I didn't use as much washi as I usually do. And then here are the full deco ones. This is the one that I decided I was not going to use. I used a couple of the flags. And then this sheet I usually just use for the sidebar, minus the 2 build do's that were used in the trash day. And that is the kit that I used and what was used and left over. And then here is the weekly view. So on this weekly view, as you can see, still marking when I film and upload, as well as I have the birthday countdown. Packages are coming in. Ignore my knee over here. I am sitting on the ground in my closet, so I can do this real quick while the kiddo is watching Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. Still doing my step count. Did okay. I still had a lot of times where I just put my watch down, so things did not get added. Yeah, so you can see that I marked when we visited and all of that. If you want me to do a more descriptive video of how I do my weekly view and my sidebar, let me know in a comment down below, or give this video a thumbs up. And then the sidebar, I'm still doing like a quick little descript here. My husband was, his department was laid off, and then he got a job like just under a month later. Veronica Mars ended up premiering a whole week early. Got TCS mail, or Thecraftystudent, Amazon. I just marked like the little things here. And then my to-dos, my habit trackers. Got a brief little descript over here. Cubs info. And then trying to get all this done. Medication, she's off of that currently. Just giving her a tummy ache because the brain got switched. Work schedule. Water. Did actually really good with the water. And then I use the Hakuna Matata for the deco up in the corner. There's that. And then on to the dailies. So for Monday, not a little more than the rest of the week happened. Again, this week went by really, really fast, and I really tried to memory plan like I do every day, but it doesn't always happen. I was really tired, didn't get much sleep on this day. It was a trash day. I got two videos recorded and watched J.Crew Plans. Got the recap done. It was a movie night. I don't remember what we watched. Oh, Avengers 2. Did some blog posts. I started the Eve. Oh no, I did that the next day. Never mind. But I submitted 2 maintenance requests. They ended up coming the day after next, I believe. My hubby was home. He went to urgent care, and they told him the same thing I did, which that he had a stomach bug from something he ate. Got a couple of packages. Cook some chicken, binge watch YouTube, And then everything here is going to be the Crafty Student, as well as everything on this page. On this page, everything except for the little shoes here. The shoes are going to be Planet Kate. Everything else is the Crafty Student. And then on here, the laptop and the film slate there are Planet Kate as well. And then for Tuesday, got a little more sleep. The grandparents ended up coming home on this day and visiting the following day. I emailed insurance back, and then I started the e-pants and skincare, which I'm going to attempt to do a separate video on that. I got a lot of laundry done. Bill was due. Got haul all set. And then on Wednesday was all day pajama day for me and my daughter, mostly my daughter, because we were just really lazy. Everything here is the Crafty Student on this page, or on this day, on Wednesday. Got some blog posts done, talked to my dad. Ended up getting my Walmart package in, but they were... Okay, I'm back. Had to take care of the kiddo. So on Wednesday, I made more chicken. I made chicken on Sunday or Monday, but yeah, I ended up making more. We binged some movies and some YouTube, gave the kiddo a bath, and I ended up having to, I got 2 out of 3 of the shirts I ordered from Walmart in, but unfortunately I had to return to them both. One was too short and too small, and one was way too big. But I will tell you what happened with the third one here in a minute. Talked to my dad, got some blog posts out. Cubs won, got a video out. Cubs got the job. Anyways, got the Play With Me done. Actually, check boxes because that actually went out today. Today is Monday. The day it came up. Yeah. So everything here except for the laptop is going to be the Crafty Student. This one right here is going to be Planner Kate. Oh, and it was a lazy day. Thursday, they all came over. We went to the pool. We had pizza. I was really, really tired. It says I got 7.5 hours, but it was like an hour here, an hour there, all through the night. I got more stickers. I actually got, used my $50 coupon, which is actually, the mail is actually here today. My Happy Mail came in today, and I will have that haul up on Friday. Yeah, we had pool and family over, and or had pizza and had family over for the pool. You know what I mean. On Friday, Veronica Mars came out a whole week early, and I binge watched, I want to say, half of the season. It was only 8 episodes, so I got all the way through episode 4. Cubs won. I got my last package from Walmart. Believe it or not, it fit. And it was another lazy day. And trash day. So, there's that. Oh, and it was Meet the Teacher night. My daughter walked into the classroom like she never left. So, there's that. And his grandmother gave me money. For the movies, so that way we could go see a movie. The only movie that was something that we would be interested in watching was Lion King. I personally thought it was really good. Full of interruptions. So we went over to his grandparents. We saw Lion King. Anyways, on to Sunday. So Sunday, Cubs lost. Got a lot done, as you can see here. Got an Amazon package from my mom. She got my daughter her backpack for school. Talked to my Nana. got a little bit of cleaning done, and laptop is from Planner Kate. That right there. I got done some blog work. I'm trying to think if there's anything else on here. And yeah, slept in and everything like that. So that is this week's recap. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be in a couple of days. Bye, guys.